Tired of fumbling for your wallet when your food craving hits? We're diving into how to pay on Uber Eats using Apple Pay for a checkout experience that's smoother than your favorite milkshake. First, make sure you have Apple Pay set up on your iPhone or iPad. You will need to add a valid debit or credit card to your Apple Wallet. If you haven't already done this, head to the Wallet app to get started. Now, open the Uber Eats app and browse through the delicious options available in your area. Go ahead and add everything you desire to your cart. Once you've filled your cart with all your cravings, tap on the cart icon to review your order. Take a moment to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. On the checkout screen, scroll down to the payment method section. If Apple Pay is already set as your default payment, you'll see the Apple Pay logo. If not, tap on the current payment method to change it. A list of payment options will appear. Select Apple Pay from the available choices. Your device will now prompt you to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Depending on your device settings, go ahead and complete the authentication process. Once authenticated, Apple Pay will be confirmed as your payment method. You'll see the updated total, and you're now ready to place your order. Tap the Place Order button to finalize your purchase. Uber Eats will begin processing your order. You can then track your order in real time until it arrives at your doorstep. Enjoy your meal. And that's how simple it is to use Apple Pay on Uber Eats. Enjoy the speed and security of Apple Pay for all your Uber Eats cravings.